Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make thumb painting. For this painting you need white paper, pencil, eraser, crayons color, gel pen, fabric color or poster color and brush. First, make a boundary with the help of pencil and scale. Then, according to your composition, make background with the crayons. Fill color. My color is complete. Now take a color plate and poster or crayons color and mix color for your print. My color is ready. Now put your finger inside the color and make different color fingerprint. With the yellow first I have made fingerprint. Then with the orange some, then with the green, then with the red, then with the red, with the red some drop, my color is complete. Now take gel pen and draw all drawing in details. Now my drawing is complete. Now take dark blue color and give some shading, dark color. At last make boundary with the help of black gel pen. My thumb painting is ready. Thank you.